Assalamualaikum friends, myself mehndibyazeema. Welcome back to my free mehndi classes series day 9. In this video I am going to teach you how to create henna grids or checks. Henna grids is also known as checks. Checks main elements are lines. Lines may be horizontal or vertical. Juicy leaves. We call juicy leaves as baby leaves also. Dots, spiral, leaves. Now I am creating first type of grid. First you need to take a horizontal lines. Give a half-inch gap in between the horizontal lines. After the completion of horizontal lines, now take vertical lines. Give half-inch gap in between the lines. After the completion of drawing lines, thin, thick, 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 thin, thin, thick, 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 thin, thick, 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 thin, thin, thick, 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 thin. Take a spiral in the empty boxes. Complete the spiral into 2 to 3 rings. This is the first type of henna grid checks design. And the second type is draw horizontal double lines. Give half-inch gap in between the lines. And then draw vertical lines. The double lines. And again draw a vertical lines, thin lines. Draw thin horizontal lines. And then give a dot in between the boxes. Give a leaf shape in the empty boxes. The third type of henna grid design, check design. Hope you guys like this video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram account, like my video, share as much as possible. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, Instagram अकाउंट को फॉलो कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक शेयर कीजिए, मेरी फ्री मेहंदी क्लासेस का फ़ायदा उठाइए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, बेसिक एलिमेंट्स को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, एक अच्छे प्रोफेशनल मेहंदी आर्टिस्ट बनिए। चलिए मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।